We do like a bit of colour in this container garden, so I've popped out today and I've got a few flowers and we're going to plant them on top of that green stalk planter, but I have bought something else as well and I'll show you that shortly. These are the flowers that I've bought. Pansies, 6 plants for £2, so I bought a couple of packs so we can mix that colour up. And they are very nice looking flowers. And these plants will just keep going and going up with fruit season. So I've took the top off that green stalk planter once again, and we're going to be putting in this top section here. It's going to make this planter look really nice. So we'll get that job done now, and then I'll show you what else I've bought. One thing I'm definitely doing is watering this in advance. That just pops off, and then I can get a really good soaking. I don't want to water on the top of those delicate leaves once the plants are in. I'm just going to pop one of these plugs out. You can see how many roots these have got. Absolutely solid with roots at the bottom. So you're best off just breaking those up. Stop them going round and round. Pull a bit off if you need to. Just make sure they're all loose like that. And then we can start planting. So we need quite a big hole for these. I'm just going to pop it in like that. I've pushed it right down as well. I want them to be nice and firm. And then I'm going to add a different colour. These are very hardy plants, so you can even rip bits of root off like that and it won't hurt them. So another one right there. You can see we've already got feed in here. So we'll pop that one in as well. And again, nice and firm. And back to yellows. Definitely ready, these plants. I'm going to take all that away from that bottom. So we'll get this top back on now without damaging those plants. Find that locator. So now this can all go back on top. As I was saying, I have bought something else. I'll just show you what it is. Bought another tree, and this is a pear tree, and it's called a conference pear, and it's already trying to leaf up. But it's also not a bad size, so that will be going in one of these containers. But we need to drill lots of holes first. And that is plenty. I'm also adding some stones to the bottom. That is going to help with drainage and give it a bit extra weight in case wind does get up. And then we'll part fill it with compost. And I'm just using multi-purpose. And then we'll add a good amount of slow release feed. That's Miracle Grow all purpose. So now we'll cut this bag off at the bottom and have a look at the roots. Well, it's definitely well wrapped, I'll say that, but it looks very dry as well. We'll soon sort that out. As you can see, a really good root system on this, and it is trying to grow fresh roots. That's a good sign. So we'll see what depth we need. Well, I've pretty much buried that. So what I'm going to do is raise it slightly. I'm making sure all those roots are properly buried, and I'm trying to centre it at the same time and firm it down. We don't want this going over. And I'm making sure I leave a gap at top. We don't want water just running straight off. I just need to cut those top strings as well. That'll do for now. We can always add a bit more compost once it's settled, but it's going to have a bit of play in it when you first plant them, so as well to put a cane in just to get a bit more stability until those roots start to grow. So I'm just going to pop a cane in. I have pushed it right to the bottom, and then we're going to add a couple of tie wraps as well. Make sure they're nice and tight, and I'll put one just a little bit further up. So that is a lot more stable now. So we'll just firm that down one more time. I'll get a good watering and then we're done. And that's another fruit tree set up for this season. So there we go. As latest addition to this container garden, a conference pear tree. And now we've snipped those tags, you can see it's opened up nicely and it's got plenty of new leaves. So there we go, a nice display of colour in that green stalk planter and a new fruit tree all set up in a big container. So we'll get the other two apple trees put in the same size containers, and then they can stay in there for the next few years. Hopefully we'll get some fruit. And if you're interested in seeing what else we do over the next few weeks, please hit that subscribe button, press that notifications bell, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.